I'm learning the half a hits, half a shits. Wait, hold on. Dashie, you got this. Oh, stop dying in the same way you play. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. I cannot. Shut. Wait for that motherfucker to come down. Go jump on him. Then jump on the other motherfucker. Shit. Oh man, Ben, that's where you been? Shit. I can't get over the bounciness. I'm gonna break this chair. It cost me a lot of money too. Shit. Oh, again with the same radio situation. Why? No, we have to go through there and wait for the fire. Oh! Thomas. Yo, what's good? Wait. Oh, wow, wow. Wow. Woo. Whoa, yay. 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 What the fuck? He's not spinning enough. The last key right there. It's the last key. I don't know what's coming up with that. Now, relax. Stop grabbing the wash shit. There's a checkpoint right. Oh. Am I still rotating? I'm still going. I'm not. Just chill right here. Do not. Oh my. No, it's coming for me. Come on. Can y'all see me? Let me look. Yes, you can. A lot of me. Boing. Clink. Yes. What did I do different last time? Oh. I'm really getting angry. I'm gonna have to get schwartz because I don't know if I can make this without getting schwartz, but here we go. Yes. Yes. I see you. Let's put that back right there. I see you. Keep hitting to the top of the shit. We're gonna keep it going. Shit! That was too soon. Ooh, ah. Pop, pop, pop. Do this. Ah. Ah. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my! I almost. I don't know if I can make that again.
Oh no!
Okay, that was clean. Whoa!
Oh no!
There's triple shits to the shits? I thought there was only double shits to the shits. Shit. Go, you can make this in one take. No, you can't. What? Whoa, shit. Oh, what? What's wrong with me? I'm sorry. Bob! Oh no, I didn't like that! Wow, flip. Bitch.
Hold up. What the fuck is it?
Relax, jump. Oh, fuck.
Oh no!
Okay, I don't get like a taka after a certain amount of taka. I don't know what that was. Okay, now, can we go and slide to the well, so the shits. Psych! Oh my god, bitch. Oh, I feel like there's another one right. Should I let him come down? Oh, he's so big. Pause. Please don't do another one. Please. Let's come through that bitch it so that I could jump on his shits. Where am I going? Where can y'all can see y'all can see my double shits. What can y'all Oh! Oh! I'm hearing long guys outside. Oh. Okay, let me just assess the situation. Okay. I need to duck with my shits because I think that they're low shits. So if you duck, you're not fucked. Then we have to wait to make it inside that door right there. That's what we're going. Oh, sorry, we're gonna keep it going. I'm sorry. Here we go. Here we go. That motherfucker made me think I had some shit, y'all. Wow. Oh! Stop. Calm. That was loud. That was loud. Oh my shit. Hit that too. You know what? That's because they knew I was gonna make it. So they might as well just shit. I'm doing this for my reals. I'm doing all of this. What's wrong with me? Help. We're good. We're good. Just wait for it. Don't even risk it. Oh, my shit. Still going. Hey, listen, no! Fuck you then, bitch. Dashie? Ow! Ow! Might as well go up with him. Go up with him. There is nothing up there. Is there anything up here for me? Please. I'm just stuck here. I forgot about... That fuck! I better stop playing. Okay. Ow! Strawberry. Can y'all see me? Let me see. My thigh is in the shot. I hope I remember to blur that out. Okay, wait. Ow! Okay, see, I try to be slick with my shit and then just go to the shit and then slide down the shit to the shit. Shit. See, I try to come. First, it was the echo shit. Okay, so I left because that was weird. I come back to see how he doing. Look at if this bitch face gets stuck like this. I don't see why not. He's not hurting nobody. I could either go to that other pipe and jump over all this boo-boo, or you know what? We're just gonna do that. We're just gonna do that. Why not? Because that second door is probably boo-boo too. You know, here's the thing. Like the one time that I say, you know what? Let me skip this. I was gonna go in order. That was my intention from the shits. The one time I skipped the one door, thinking like, okay, 1 wasn't good, 2 wasn't good. Obviously, 3 ain't gonna be good. Let's just go to 4. Now I'm the foe, as in foe. Okay, so I was doing it right. I just have to keep going from shits to shits. Can I make that jump? We're gonna try. We got lucky once. Can we get lucky thrice? Ow! I almost had it. All I had to do was put it on real quick. But that was what?